Starting with the name of Allah, Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dariyarkam Koi Town Phase 1. We start with the name of Allah, we recite dua. Rabbi Zidni Ilma. ऐ मेरे रब मेरे इल्म में इजाफ़ा फरमा, आमीन. Class 7th, subject Social Studies. Number 3, Atmosphere. Our earth is composed of many natural resources. The atmosphere is the one of the most precious natural resources that sustain life on the earth. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases, dust particles around the earth. It is commonly called air. Colorless, odorless, tasteless. The atmosphere consists of gases. Two major gases are nitrogen and oxygen, 99% of the atmosphere. Variable gases are carbon dioxide, neon, hydrogen, water vapors, ozone, etc. Significance of the gases in the atmosphere. Nitrogen is important for plant growth and helps in putting out fire. Oxygen is important for burning and also for breathing. Carbon dioxide is important in photosynthesis procedure. Ozone is important to protect harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun to us. Water vapors absorbs heat and dust and reflects the heat back into the space. Layer structure of the atmosphere. The first layer of atmosphere is called troposphere. In this layer we live. The troposphere starts at the Earth's surface and extends to 8 to 14 kilometers. Stratosphere extends to 50 kilometers from the troposphere. In this portion, the ozone layer absorbs the ultraviolet rays of the sun which are harmful to us. Mesosphere starts above the stratosphere to extend to 85 kilometers. Thermosphere, it starts above the mesosphere, extends to 600 kilometers. In this layer, temperature ranges from 227 centigrades to 1725 centigrades. Man-made satellites are found in this layer. The last layer from the thermosphere and extends to 10,000 kilometers. It is the most outer layer of the atmosphere. Afterward, we are going to discuss weather and climate. 227 centigrades to 1725 centigrades. Man-made satellites are found in this layer. The last layer from the thermosphere and extends to 10,000 kilometers. It is the most outer layer of the atmosphere. Afterward, we are going to discuss weather and climate. The weather is defined as the condition of the Earth's atmosphere at a particular time and place. These conditions are temperatures, precipitation, air pressure, humidity, and wind. The climate is the average weather condition of a particular region for a long period, usually more than 30 years. Afterward, we are going to discuss global warming and green effect. Gradually increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere is called global warming. The rise in temperature is caused by the greenhouse effect. The heat of the sun trapped by some gases in the atmosphere caused the greenhouse effect. The gases include carbon dioxide, water vapor, methane, and the other are etc. After this, we are going to discuss the ozone layer is found in the upper part of the stratosphere between 15 and 35 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Ozone is a natural gas. It acts like a shield to protect human life from the sun rays, ultraviolet rays. The ozone layer absorbs high energy radiations from the sun and stops them to reach the earth. Due to some human acts, the ozone layer are gradually thinning, and it starts from the after from the industrial revolution. The thinning of the ozone layer due to the chemical release by the factories and other human activities. How we can protect our ozone layer? We should dump our old refrigerators, air conditioners and other appliances using CFC must be properly. We should use non-toxic cleaning products should be used for the homes and offices. At the end, there is a recap for this chapter. We should understand all these points to understand this chapter. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.